What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be showing you 5 different tips and tricks for the Galaxy A20's camera. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, so we're going to be talking about the Galaxy A20's camera, and this is a pretty decent camera as far as the price goes, and you guys definitely know that from using it, but there are a few different things that you can do to definitely adjust it and make it a more enjoyable experience. Alright guys, so the first trick I'm going to go and show you is go ahead and click on that camera application. Once we're inside of here, we're going to want to scroll all the way to the bottom. As you guys see down here, there is a thing called Quick Launch. Now, if you guys go ahead and turn this on, you can quickly press the power key twice to open the camera. So we're going to go ahead and turn that on, obviously. So go ahead and turn that on. But this quickly opens up the camera. So if there's a situation where you need to take a picture, you need to record video, maybe you need to get some sort of evidence or something, or just record a fight, all you have to do is go ahead and double tap, and it goes in the camera right there. So that's really cool. And then also you can do this while the screen is off. So popping out of your pocket, double tap, there you go, camera goes on. So really useful feature right there. Next feature is in the settings as well. So if you're in the camera, definitely go ahead and click on that gear icon. We're going to go ahead and scroll down to a thing called location tags. Now this is a very useful feature. I've used this while in Barcelona, Spain. But if you go ahead and click that turns on or improves the location accuracy of the location tags, and then it actually adds tags to your pictures and videos so you can see where they were taken. So really cool stuff right there. You can see where your photos are taken. So maybe you've had too much to drink and you don't know what place you're at. You can go ahead and take a picture while you're there, or if you're at, maybe you're in a foreign country, and it actually tags that location. So I feel like that is a very useful feature. You can then look back at old pictures and finally find that club or dive bar that you guys forgot about. So it's a really useful feature. Next trick, we're going to go into the camera settings again. So scroll all the way down. We're going to go to shooting methods. Go ahead and click on that. Now, as you guys see, it says press the volume keys to, and it says take picture or record video. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. Now you can actually change these, and you can utilize this phone as maybe a digital camera if you wanted to get a little retro with you. So go ahead and click on zoom. So press volume key to zoom, so you can zoom in and out using the volume key, which is really cool. We're going to go ahead and actually check that out. I feel like a lot of people would like to utilize this feature. So as you guys see, like an old digital camera, you guys get those manual controls, which I always think are underrated. But really cool stuff right there. Next thing right there, that can change your system volume or take picture or record video. So as you guys see right there, that's what it's going to be set as. We can also add an extra shutter button, so you can move that anywhere on the screen. If you guys are taking a selfie and you want to hold the phone out like that, you can go ahead and push that shutter button somewhere else so you do not drop the phone. So if you want to use that, go ahead and turn that one on. Next, we have tap screen to take selfies. Very simple right here. Just tap the screen instead of using a shutter button. And we have show palm. Show your palm to the camera. So put your palm right there, and then it's going to give you a countdown, and it's going to then take a photo. So those are some really useful features right there if you guys have not utilized these already. Next thing, and one of my favorites, especially because I am a photographer at heart, is Pro Mode. So we have this mode called Pro Mode. Now, a lot of people don't know what this does, but it's basically manual controls. So you can change the white balance. You can go ahead and make it a brighter or darker setting. You can change the ISO, obviously, if you would like to, which is really cool to have manual controls. You can change the aspect ratio as well. So we're going to go ahead and check these out. We actually have 9:16, we have 1:1, and we have full aspect ratio right here, which utilizes the full screen as you guys see here. But these are some really cool features that you guys should utilize if you guys want to get into photography and get a little practice. This is definitely one of the features you guys should be using. And the last trick that I want to show you is basically you being able to change the resolution of the camera. So go ahead and click on video right there. So you can change the resolution to HD 1280 by 720 instead of 1080p. I believe it's set to 1080p at default. And once we change the aspect resolution, it goes to 1920 by 886. And then we also have the 1:1 aspect ratio with 1072 by 1072. So you guys can go ahead and change that for the rear and front facing camera. So I thought that was very useful to show. But yeah, if you guys have any more useful features, tips, or tricks, definitely put them in the comments down below. If you guys want me to make more videos about this phone or any other phones, definitely put in the comments down below, and I will definitely take those into consideration. This has been Safan from TechRight. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace out, Tech Gang.